This truck right here we did 2 years ago. So we're gonna show you guys. The customer's very happy with it. We just did his son's truck. He said, I'm gonna bring my truck back so we can put a video online for it. Show how long, 2 years ago worth of work. Still holding up really good, no problems. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Let you look at the undercarriage, and we'll do a drive off and everything. Here it is, the undercarriage of it. What we did 2 years ago. There's the high flow cats, or stock cats actually. Then it comes with a third converter here. Then we put a Flowmaster 40 series on it. 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3.5 inch by 12 rolled edge tips. Right there and right there. That's how you have to do the duals. They last 7 to 9 years. As you can see, we use aluminized pipe. They don't rust. They don't change color for 7 years before they start rusting out all the way. All the rust you see is surface rust. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Sounds good. 2 years later, it still sounds beautiful.
Inside this Chevy. Sounding good.
He said he's not going to disappoint, so let's see if he's not going to disappoint. Sounds pretty good. Nice and deep. Can't beat Flowmaster sound.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restrained.